much of your freshman year, you're going to take courses out of the engineering college over there, including chemistry and physics and that 5-hour calculus and all those engineering basics. And then after that, you're coming back over to the business college. And so the curriculum there will look at optimization, using data analytics tools, so we can do things like optimize Starbucks, figuring out better, smarter, faster ways to get stuff done. Many of the students have great careers that border the boundaries of engineering and business. You actually have some more skills than the average engineering student does by having a little bit more knowledge of accounting, marketing, finance, the things that they oftentimes have to come back and get an MBA for. It's a beautiful degree. It's a smaller program in the College of Business, but it gives you a chance to know all your professors on a first-name basis. So again, my name is Ruth Seipel. I'm a professor of operations management, and I'm a proud graduate of the BSIM.
Hello everyone, this is Ayan Ajmu, a third-year student at the Linden College of Business, and currently I'm majoring in Industrial Management, Information Systems and International Business. But today I'm here to talk more about my major, Industrial Management. So, why did I pick that as a major? Growing up, I've always been attracted to manufacturing industries. I think it's something very cool how they can take one product and turn it into a completely different thing just by maybe adding some new things or just processing it. And I think industrial management works very well with the manufacturing industry. And here I am as an industrial management major. One of my favorite classes in this major that I took was called logistics, and I really liked the class because of our professor, because she invited a lot of guest speakers from the industry who came in to speak to us about what they do and how they do it, and that really made that course wonderful and very practical for us. After graduation, I really want to go to grad school to pursue a master's in operations management or operations engineering, something in that realm. And that's all the time I have today. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.